In this video we are going to look a bit more at how to calculate the concentration when we are given the mass and the volume. The triangle to calculate the concentration looks like this. We have mass at the top, then we have the line for division, and we have concentration times volume at the bottom. The unit for mass is grams. The unit for volume is decimeter cube, and the unit for concentration is gram per decimeter cube. Now let us look at an example question. Calculate the concentration in gram per decimeter cube of 15 grams sodium chloride in 3.0 decimeter cube of water. So we have to calculate the concentration here, so we can start writing concentration equals. Now to find out which calculation we have to carry out, we have to cover up concentration in our formula triangle and see what is left to know what we have to do. If we cover up concentration, we are left with mass divided by volume, and we are given the mass as 15 grams in this question, and the volume is 3.0 decimeter cube. So this means we get 15 grams divided by 3 decimeter cube, and this gives us a concentration of 5 gram per decimeter cube. Now let us look at another example. Calculate the volume of a solution in centimeter cube with 2 gram zinc nitrate and a concentration of 4 gram per decimeter cube. We can already see here that we will have to convert a unit later on, because we are supposed to give the answer in centimeter cube while we are given a concentration in gram per decimeter cube. But we are going to worry about that later on. We have to calculate the volume, so we can start again by writing volume equals. Then again we have to cover up the volume to know which calculation we have to carry out. So we are left with mass divided by concentration. The mass in this question is given as 2 grams, and the concentration is 4 gram per decimeter cube. So we get 2 grams divided by 4 gram per decimeter cube, and this gives us a concentration of 0.5 decimeter cube. But remember, we need to give the answer in centimeters cube, so we have to convert this now. To get from decimeter cube to centimeter cube, we have to times by 1000. So we have to times 0.5 by 1000, and we get 500 centimeter cube as the volume of the solution. Let us look at another example. Calculate the mass of magnesium sulfate in 0.3 decimeter cube of a solution with a concentration of 10 gram per decimeter cube. Now you can pause the video and have a go yourself using the formula triangle to answer this question. Here we have to calculate the mass, so we start writing mass equals. Now we have to cover up the mass in the formula triangle, and what we are left with is concentration times volume. The concentration in this question is 10 gram per decimeter cube, and the volume is 0.3 decimeter cube. So we get 10 gram per decimeter cube times 0.3 decimeter cube, and this gives us a mass of 3 gram.